Today in social studies, we learned that you can like blow out your candle by punching, but you're not punching the candle because that would hurt.
Like you punch through the air, and then the air goes through the candle, and then it knocks it out.
Yeah.
We were inspired.
Yeah, we saw it in social studies, and we learned it, and this is for you, Mr. Daniels.
Okay, ready?
You gotta do it. You gotta be like,
Ready, set, go. Oh. Mine's like invincible.
We've done this with bajillion sisters.
Mine never goes out.
Okay. Okay. No, let me do that. Okay. Just one go.
It's impossible. Okay. Ready? Okay, I'll do it this time. Oh.
I just blew it when it didn't even go out.
Yeah!
Got it.
Okay. Peace out. This is for you, Mr. Daniels.
Better show this in class. Okay.